Kayla is sleepy, but she still wants to eat. She's not letting
Yan na lang yung gift mo
go
kay Tita Carol.
of her bread. One more subo, anak. One more subo, Kayla. Kayla.
Wow.
Gusto ba yun?
One more subo, Kayla.
Ay, Richard. Ang sakit na tingnan mo. Ipan mo ha.
She's still chewing. Kayla,
That's very...
eat that one. Eat your bread. Nagsubo man.